to count 1 to 10 in Japanese? 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 2 3 3 3 3 4 4 4 4 or 4 5 5 5 5 1 2 3 4 5 Okay, let's count 1 to 5 together. 1 2 3 4 5 Okay, let's do a quiz. How do you say 1 in Japanese? 1 How do you say 3 in Japanese? 3 How do you say 5 in Japanese? 5 Great, let's move on to the next one. 6 6 6 6 7 7 7 7 or 7 8 8 8 8 9 9 9 9 or 9 10 10 10 10 6 7 8 9 10 Okay, let's count 6 to 10 together. 6 7 8 9 10 Great! Let's do a quiz. How do you say 6 in Japanese? 6 How do you say 8 in Japanese? 8 How do you say 10 in Japanese? 10 Let's count 1 to 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Okay, let's count 1 to 10 together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Okay, let's count object together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Okay, let's try backwards. 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 Please repeat after me. 10 9 8、7、6、5、4、3、2、1。Great! Okay, let's do a final quiz. How do you say 1 in Japanese? 1. How do you say 3 in Japanese? 3. How do you say 5 in Japanese? 5. How do you say 7 in Japanese? 7 or 7. How do you say 8 in Japanese? 8. How do you say 2 in Japanese? 2. How do you say 10 in Japanese? 10. Names of colors in Japanese. Let's start. Number 1. Red. Aka. 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 Repeat after me. Aka. Good. Number 2. Blue. Ao. 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 Repeat after me. Ao. Good. Number 3. Yellow. Kiro. Ki-i-ro. Kiro. Repeat after me. Kiro. Good. Number 4. Green. Midori. 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 Repeat after me. Midori. Good. Number 5. Yellow green. Kimidori. 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 Repeat after me. Kimidori. Good. Number 6. Light blue. Mizuiro. 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 Repeat after me. Mizuiro. Good. Number 7. White. Shiro. 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 Repeat after me. Shiro. Good. Number 8. Black. Kuro. 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 Repeat after me. Kuro. Good. Number 9. Gray. Hairo. Ha-i-iro. Hairo. Repeat after me. Hairo. Good. Number 10. Orange. 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 Repeat after me. Orange. Good. Aka. Ao. Kiro. Midori. Kimidori. Mizuiro. Shiro. 黒、灰色、オレンジ。Great! Now you will learn 10 colors. Let's check how many do you remember. Question number 1. How do you say red in Japanese? 赤。Question number 2. How do you say yellow in Japanese? 黄色。Question number 3. How do you say white in Japanese? 白。Question number 4. How do you say blue in Japanese? 青。Question number 5. How do you say green in Japanese? 緑。Question number 6. How do you say yellow green in Japanese? 黄緑。Question number 7. How do you say black in Japanese? 黒。Great, let's move on to the next color. Number 11. Purple. 紫。紫。紫。Repeat after me. 紫。Good. Number 12. Pink. 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 Repeat after me. Pink. Good. Number 13. Brown. 茶色。茶色。茶色。Repeat after me. 茶色。Good. Number 14. Gold. 金。金。Repeat after me. 金。Good. Number 15. Silver. 銀。Repeat after me. 銀。Good. Number 16. Indigo. 藍色。藍色。Repeat after me. 藍色。Good. Number 17. Dark green. 深緑。深緑。Repeat after me. 深緑。Good. Number 18. Light purple. 薄紫。薄紫。薄紫。Repeat after me. 薄紫。Good. Number 19. Navy. 紺色。紺色。Repeat after me. 紺色。Good. Number 20. Scarlet. 朱色。Repeat after me. 朱色。Good. 紫。ピンク。茶色。金。 藍色、深緑、薄紫、紺色、朱色。Great! Now you've learned 20 colors. Let's check how many do you remember. Question number 1. How do you say brown in Japanese? 茶色。Question number 2. How do you say purple in Japanese? 紫。Question number 3. How do you say gold in Japanese? 金。Question number 4. How do you say navy in Japanese? 紺色。Question number 5. How do you say dark green in Japanese? 深緑。Great! Let's make a sentence. Keyword is ください。ください means please. Let's start. Number 1. 赤い腕時計ください。赤い腕時計ください。赤 means red. 腕時計 means watch. ください means please. Red, watch, please. 赤い腕時計ください。Repeat after me. 赤い腕時計ください。Good! Number 2. 青いネクタイください。青いネクタイください。青 means blue. Necktie means tie. ください means please. Blue tie, please. 青いネクタイください。Repeat after me. 青いネクタイください。Good! Great! Now you've learned 20 colors and how to use them in sentences. Thank you for watching. ありがとうございます。If you'd like our video, please subscribe and smash the bell. See you next video. またね